Immutable objects cannot be changed after they are declared. Means once the immutable object has been created, we cannot change the value of an object. If you try to modify them, Python creates a new object instead of changing the old object. The example of immutable objects are int, string, float, and tuple data type. We will understand data type in our next video. For now, think of immutable objects like a sealed box. You cannot change what is inside the box. If you need a new value, Python gives you a new box. So here, in the example, the variable x refers to the object value 10, but when we reassign the x variable with value 11, it creates a new object with different location in memory. That means immutable objects value cannot change once they are defined. Here, when we create x variable, it points to the object 10 and we print the id function and passing the variable x, which means we will get the object memory id of this variable x, which is 123. And when we reassign the x variable, Python does not update the old object. Instead, it creates a new object 11 and moves the label x to it, which means x is 10 plus 1 means 11. We are assigning a new object 11 to the variable x and printing its id. It means we got new id. So the id changes because the memory location has been changed. Now moving to mutable objects. Mutable objects can be changed after creation. Their structure can be updated without creating a new object. The example of mutable object are list, dict, and set data type. Think of a mutable objects like we have created a list here, which means a list is a variable that can store multiple values in a single variable. So the list variable have one item, which is 1, and when we reassign the list variable by appending function means adding a new element to the list, which is 2. At that time, in the same object, the two elements get inserted. Now the list variable contains two elements, which is 1 and 2. That means without creating a new object, mutable objects can change the value in the old object only. So mutable objects value can also be changed once they have defined. Here we first created a list with one item, which is 1, and printing its id. So here we get the memory location of list, which is 789. But when we change the list variable means appending another item, which is 2, and printing id function, with we get the same id. So when we append 2, Python modifies the same list in place. So the id stays the same. The list did not move in memory. So I hope the concept is clear.